Hello again. This is part 2 of I try to solder my drone or destroy it. I have never tried to solder before, and I think this is hot now. So I will not talk. This is the black wire. I don't know if you can see it here. The black wire needs to go here, but I cannot record it. As you see, it's more important. I have only one chance, so I will need to take. I cannot take it more out than this, because the wire to motors, I will need to plug it out, and I don't think I will do it. Okay, I can take it more far out. I should do that. This is do it like this. Then I got more space. But I don't think we can record it. But the red one here, the red here is loose too, so I think I will give the red one a bit, but I never tried this, so I will put a bit but I don't know if it's hot enough. Oh, it's too big. Oh, that was not good. Oh, that was a big one. Wow. I have to take it off. That was a terrible soldering. I have to take this off somehow. Oh, I was lucky. Okay, I will not talk so much because I was close to destroy my drone. So I have to cut with my scissor. Okay, I don't, because my right arm is damaged too, so I don't know, and the wire is a bit so. Okay, I cannot talk so much now. I think I have come with, I cannot, I'm very bad. Oh, I'm terrible to this. I think I don't know how to do it, and it's very hot. Oh, I have to do it some way. think I have to solder the tip a bit. But I don't know what to do with. I'm terrible to this. Oh, it was close. Oh, I think I have a solder it to the red too. It's connected to the red too. No. I think I was lucky. There. I think I need to put tape or something. Have to put. Okay, but it's on, but it's too close. The red can touch the black one. So, but I will try to put some tape or something.